If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified with all new videos. Hello my angels, I'm back on my YouTube channel with a brand new video. At first, I wanted to ask you guys, how am I looking? To create this look, I have got inspired by Indian wedding haldi ceremony. And I know that it's not new for you guys. You all know that Indian weddings are always grand. And nowadays, brides are really interested to do this kind of look on their haldi. They love to do this kind of light-based makeup with the colorful eyes, and they like to wear this kind of wonderful floral lehenga with this kind of beautiful floral jewelries. Today, this beautiful floral lehenga and jewelries are sponsored by Shaititho's Golden Touch, which I have mentioned before on one of my video. They have beautiful bridal and semi-bridal costume collection along with wonderful bridal and party wear jewelry collection. Beside of selling services, they have their renting service also. So if you are a makeup artist and you want to create variety of bridal looks on your models, you don't need to buy the jewelry and the costume. Just step into their shop and just describe what type of look you want. They will totally guide you. Now I have already talked a little bit long, so let's not waste time anymore. Let's straight jump into the video. I've already cleaned my face and prepped my face with a toner. Now I'm moisturizing my skin with a PAC Lightful Moisture Cream. I really like this light moisturizing cream because I do have a habit of sweating and my skin is totally dry. So I love to apply this kind of non-greasy moisturizer before makeup. Now I'm applying Nykaa Lip Crush Macron Lip Balm. I'm using the flavor of mint, and you will absolutely feel this minty cool effect on your lips when you apply it on your lips. The cost is $1.99 and this contains 8 grams of product. Now I'm applying the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circle Eye Cream. It has cucumber and peptides, which are known to diminish the unwanted eye problems like eye bag, dark circle, eye puffiness, and etc. Today I'll be using a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Deep Tawny. Today I have planned to create a very light base makeup. Generally haldi and mehendi are the day ceremonies, and I hope on that day every bride wants to have a very natural skin like makeup. I have got lots of requests on that. We are not being able to choose the correct shade of the concealer or the foundation, so I am telling you the basic funda of it. When you are trying a concealer or a foundation on your face, then if the shade is kind of disappearing on your skin, you have to consider that shade is the correct shade according to your skin tone. Here the same thing you can see, this concealer shade is kind of disappeared on my skin. That means this is the correct shade according to my skin tone. Now the problem is online shopping. When you are going to a store, the representatives are there to help you guys. But before doing shopping online, please see the swatches on YouTube. There are so many YouTube bloggers who does the swatches. I mean all the shade swatches on their hand or on their skin. From the color swatches, you will get a pretty good idea that which color or which shade will go with your skin tone. And now it's time to have the foundation on my skin. So I am applying Makeup Forever HD foundation on top of this concealer. The people who wants a very light coverage on their skin with the HD glow, this foundation will be the best friend for those people. Makeup Forever is a high-end brand and the cost of this foundation is 4,025 rupees. But yes, if you want this kind of finishing on your skin and you have a tight budget, you definitely can have the affordable option. I love the foundation, which is LA Girl HD foundation. The packaging is more or less same and the finishing is super lovely. I'm going to use it very soon, one of my next videos. Y375 is the Makeup Forever foundation shade of mine. So if you have the budget of buying high-end foundation and you would like to have this kind of natural skin-like finishing, then you can buy this Makeup Forever HD foundation from Nykaa. Now it's time to set the cream products on my skin. Today I'll be using the K-Beauty Translucent Powder White. I think most of you know that Katrina Kaif has launched her own makeup line called K-Beauty. According to my experience and my product knowledge, it's very rare to have a very good fine finished affordable translucent powder. Till now my favorite is matte translucent powder and the pressed translucent powder from Makeup Forever. But yes, if I give MAC or Makeup Forever translucent powder on 5 on 5, then I will rate this translucent powder 4.5. It doesn't have a weird smell like some affordable translucent powders. I have set my foundation with this and I felt very good about it. So if you are planning to buy affordable translucent powder, then I'll definitely suggest this one. Starting the eye makeup, taking this bright pink fuchsia color from Juvia's Place Mascara Palette and then blending with a fluffy brush. I am applying this pink color on the crease. Next I am applying this orange color from Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette and blending the harsh line between pink and the orange color with a fluffy brush. Next I have taken this deep purple color from this same Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette. I have taken a very small blending brush. You can call it a smudger brush also. I am applying this color on the crease to create a good dimension on the pink color and blending all the color with a fluffy blending brush. Now I have taken this cream white lip color from the Delancey lip palette. It's a pretty good dupe of ABH lip palette, but please don't expect ABH kind of pigmentation quality here. Or in this kind of cream product application on your eyelid, if you want the prominent white color, you can apply Inglot white gel liner. I'll definitely use that gel liner very soon. Here I didn't want that pure white color. That's why I have took this color from this lip palette and I have set that white lip color with the white eyeshadow from the Color Studio palette. Next I'm using that yellow color from the same Color Studio palette. Applying the color with a flat eyeshadow brush. Next I have taken the orange color. Every time I am applying the another color, I am blending the harsh line out. Now next I have applied the pink color from the Juvia's Place Mascara palette and then at last I have applied this deep purple color from the same Color Studio palette. I have created the half cut crease. So on the outer corner, I am blending the deep purple color on the outer corner of the crease also. Now I am applying the white cream lip color from the Delancey lip palette on my inner corner of my eyes. Then next applying the yellow color. Then the orange color, both are from the Color Studio palette. And then I am blending the bright pink color from the Juvia's Place Mascara palette. And I am blending with a fluffy brush towards the outer corner of my eyes. I have taken a small smudge brush and I am blending the deep purple color on my outer corner. Now I am applying the Faces Black Kohl pencil on my upper waterline and on the half portion of my lower waterline. I am not showing it separately because I have shown it on my other videos many times. And I am blending that kajal with a deep purple color by a small blending brush on my outer corner. Now I am applying PAC Pressed Glitter Multicolor. The shade name and number is 29 Think Pink. It is called pink, but I feel it has the greenish and the orangish touch. I love this color so much. The best thing is that you can apply this color on top of any kind of warm tone color. Now I am applying Inglot Black Gel Liner. Most of the artists know that gel liners are having that tendency to getting dried up and we need to mix a liquid called Duraline to make it smooth. Till date I was using Inglot Duraline and the price is $14.50. For the first time I have used a Duraline from PAC and the quality is as same as Inglot and the price is surprising, which is $6.25 only. Now I am applying L'Oreal Paris Lash Superstar Mascara. It has the dual-sided product. One is mascara primer and one is black mascara. Today I'll be wearing false eyelashes. That's why I'm not applying the mascara primer, just only applying the mascara. Now it's time to bronzing my face. Today I am applying a brand new product. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. I don't know why it comes with this funny applicator and I don't have any idea how to use this product with it. The price of this product is 1200, which is a pretty good affordable range. I have said it before in my video that it is very rare to have a very good bronzer within affordable range, and this bronzer is named as Butter Bronzer, and I'm telling you guys, this works exactly as it says. It has a super buttery finish, and the shade, you can see that most of the bronzers are available in the market which has either very warm tone or a very pale tone, but this bronzer is not too warm and not too pale, somewhere in between. That's why I like the color so much. This can easily be a go-to bronzer for the daytime as well as for the night time, and it has a very natural finishing for my skin tone, and I'm sure it will work on other skin tones as good as it has worked on my skin tone. All my followers knows that I always give honest reviews. If I don't like a product, I'll tell it directly. I don't believe in the concept of good products has to be costly and affordable products are bound to be not good as high-end brands. This is a totally incorrect concept. I feel if you have enough knowledge of product and the informations regarding the quality, you can definitely give the correct suggestions for yourself and for your followers also. Now I am applying the blusher called Makeup Revolution Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Blusher. Basically it comes with two different color families. One is peach and one is pink, and the shade of this product is Bursting with Love. It's a shimmery blush on. You can call it baked blush on. I know so many people who don't love to use highlighter on their face, so this kind of baked blush on can be a good product for them because it can make your cheeks blush. At the same time it can give you a highlighting effect. Now I'm applying Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I'm sure my camera is not capturing the right shade. That's why I have provided the picture. You can see that it has a peach, whitish, silverish finish, and it is a very good highlighter within a super affordable range. It is just for 500 rupees. My favorite highlighter within affordable range was PAC. That was for 800 rupees, but this one is more affordable than that, and I have really liked this finishing according to the price range, and the shade is Blossom Glow. As I was creating a light makeup, that's why I have used a very less quantity. You can easily build it up. It has a very good pigmentation quality. Today I'll be using two different shades from Maybelline Superstay Matte Lip Ink. The deep one named Founder, which I'm applying on the border area, and the lighter one is Lover, which I'm applying it on the entire lip inside the border. I have told everyone that it is a very sticky and really super stay matte ink, but this will not give you a pure matte finish. It leaves a stickiness on your lips, which I don't like really, but you can manage it by dapping a tissue on your lips. It will soak all the stickiness from your lips and your lips looks more matte than it was after applying the lip shades. And now it's time to set the makeup. I'm setting my makeup today by Kiko Milano Makeup Fixer. I had a lot of expectations from this makeup fixer. It doesn't give a shine on your skin, but the people who wants the non-glossy finish, they can easily try it on. I'm using the PAC Mink 73 eyelashes with the PAC eyelash glue, and it is really tough to apply eyelashes by your own. Finally, you can see the makeup is totally completed. Again, I want to mention that this beautiful floral jewelries and this beautiful looking floral lehenga are sponsored by Shaititho's Golden Touch, a shop from Siliguri who has this kind of wonderful jewelry and costume collections. You can find them on Facebook. Here is the page suggestions I am providing. Now I want to thank you guys because of all the support I am getting from you all. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and you can share this video with your friends on Facebook. This will help me to reach more and more people and to grow my small YouTube family. Here are my Instagram and Facebook page names. All the social media links are given below on the description box. You all can follow me there. All I want to say at the end of this video is I love you guys so much. Please shower love and blessings as you always do. I'll see you on my next video very soon. Till then, bye.